Restoring Trust Wallet Face ID login is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few steps. First, ensure your device supports Face ID, as this feature is only available on certain models. To begin, open the Trust Wallet app on your device. If you are unable to access the app due to a forgotten password or other issues, you will need to reset the app or contact support. Once you have accessed the app, navigate to the Settings menu, usually located in the top right or left corner of the screen. In the Settings menu, look for the Security or Password section and select it. Here, you will see an option to enable or disable Face ID login. If Face ID is disabled, toggle the switch to enable it. You may be prompted to enter your password or confirm your identity through another method. If you are still having trouble with Face ID login, try restarting your device or updating the Trust Wallet app to the latest version. Ensure that your device's Face ID feature is working correctly by testing it with other apps. It is essential to note that Face ID login is only available if you have previously set up Face ID on your device. If you have not set up Face ID, you will need to do so before you can use it to log in to the Trust Wallet app. To set up Face ID on your device, go to the Settings app, select Face ID and Password, and follow the on-screen instructions. You will need to scan your face and create a passcode. After setting up Face ID on your device, return to the Trust Wallet app and enable Face ID login in the Settings menu. You should now be able to log in to the app using Face ID. Remember to always keep your device and the Trust Wallet app up to date to ensure you have the latest security features and protection. Additionally, be cautious when using Face ID login in public areas, as someone may be able to access your device if they have a similar face shape or features. By following these steps, you should be able to restore Trust Wallet Face ID login and enjoy the convenience and security of this feature. If you continue to experience issues, contact the Trust Wallet support team for further assistance.